In this new hybrid world, I always got questioned by customers on how to provide the best application performance and user experience for their employees. The answer is very easy. It's through a solution called FSO, or Full Stack Observability. Full Stack Observability is composed of three main parts. First one, providing end-to-end visibility from a user up to the application used on-prem or in the cloud. Second pillar, application performance with actionable insights. And third one is through managing dynamically the resources used by those applications. With that said, let me show you some real examples so you can better realize what I'm talking about. Okay, so this store is my customer. It's an e-commerce customer, and the situation presented is their customers are not able to process the orders. So let's use Thousand Eyes first to help troubleshoot the problem. So you see that this store has presence across different regions in the road, but everything looks great because everything is green. If you go to the path visualization, what we are able to see is in the left side we see all the sites, in the right side we see the application being used by those sites to process the orders, and in between we see all the connectivity that exists. And it doesn't look like there is a connectivity problem, otherwise we would see a big red ball or something like that. So if it's not within the connectivity, we can switch to the app dynamics, which is going to give us an application performance overview of what's going on right now. We see all the transactions happening on top of the infrastructure. So we see front end communicating with back end, database and financial systems, and everything's supposed to be flowing and looks like everything is going well, but we only see one red ball here. If we go a little bit deep, what we find is looks a server problem. So if it's a server problem, probably is not something related to the application performance itself, and I can switch to the intersite. Intersite, we can dynamically manage all these resources allocated and used by the applications. And we see a very straightforward action suggested here, which is telling us the reason probably why we have the red ball problem, which is looks like this container X here does not have the resources needed, and it's actually suggesting us to move to another container. And with that, we probably will get some improvement on the overall performance and get all the orders going through. So hopefully it was clear enough to articulate the value of FSO and all of its solutions.